Don't look at me. I changed my mind. What color? That is to be decided, kind of. I mean, I have an opinion, but I want your opinion. If you're not crowdsourcing your hair color, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying, buddy? Hell yeah. That's what I've been saying. He's just like me for real. I raised him that way. This music crescendoed right into my brain, I think, which is chill, because I'm about to put harmful chemicals on top of the same brain. Turn it blue and become the next Dan TDM. I would enjoy that. I want the secret sauce to be rich and powerful. I have red and green. What do you guys think? I feel like red could be the move because it will turn pink again, and then I can do green. And also, if I do green, I think it might just turn purple. What makes green? Blue and yellow makes green. But if I added red to green, what if it just turns brown, and then we're at square one, truly? Half and half and just go full Christmas. What up, Dana? Thanks for the follow, dude. I'm seeing lots of greens, I'm seeing lots of reds. Do the top red and the sides green. I would feel like a right tit, I think. Feel like that would be a bit sus on my behalf, on my part. Imagine buffering a whole election. What is this, America? You see that? That would be the poll, but if it wasn't buffering, what is this? Oh, this is like condition. I don't care about maintenance. Wash it out as quick as possible so I can look different and be manic differently. All right, how do you dye hair? I don't remember. I think we're doing red. I think that's the move, unless anyone wants to convince me last second. That's unfortunate. This hole has a bag in it. This hole has a bag in it. Don't have a bag, don't have gloves. If I was some sort of MacGyver type guy, I could make gloves. But I feel like I'll make more of that. A mess. What is this? I got guitar capos with no gloves? But no matings? Red, red, red. All right, it's the first one I saw. It was meant to be. How much hair do I have? Half of this? Not even, probably? All of it. Okay, good. That is vibrant. Who is this woman? She's like a putty in my hand. I am dieting. You need content? How do I call? I'll give you my phone number. Just come on through. All right, how much of this do I actually need? I guess I could conserving resources never crossed my mind. Just like buying gloves. I need you guys to just tell me what this is for. What do I do with this? Keep the pink? It's too late, it's already in the bowl. I guess I could eat it. All right, should I keep the headphones on while I do this? I have a brush! I was literally just about to goop it on with my hands. I shouldn't be allowed to live alone. Anyway, the forbidden ketchup. I think I need more than this, actually. I underthought this. I was wrong, is what I'm saying. Not everyone's perfect. I mean, I've dyed my hair before. Not really well, ever. It gets the job done. I put the goop in, I take the goop out, I make a mess, I move. Once you make enough messes, you just move, right? It's so weird having a mirror that talks to you. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I think I needed gloves, is what I needed. I think I really could have benefited from the use of gloves. You've caught me in the middle of not protecting my hairline and just doing the gooping. I'm sure you remember. Been very indecisive on how much of this I need. I need it all. Now I can't return this half tube. You have to have at least half still in there. Now it's real, don't get shit on the carpet hours. Now it's real, protect the security deposit hours. I'll never financially recover from this. Please subscribe with Twitch Prime. All right. I'm mixing it up with the air to oxidize the paint. I'm kind of a hands-on painter. I need to feel the paint running between my fingers to really get the full emotional impact that I'm going for with this piece of my head. Which part of my head isn't wet? It's really hard to tell with a paintbrush that isn't your hand. Hope you're following this tutorial at home, Bob Ross. We're gonna get that afro looking decent. I look like I've been massacred. I look like an actual lunatic. I need to massage it into my hair instead of just globbing it on the top, but then I will make a mess. But you're gonna have to bear with me. I'll wipe my hand on this t-shirt. We knew what we were doing here. I was prepared for a disaster. Going all right so far. Look more razzmatazz than red. So true, dude. Looks more like my head is gushing blood than red with my blurry vision. I don't know. I wonder if the artist intended for that. For the I've just escaped being murdered. Almost. Not fully murdered, but about halfway there. I'm almost out of goop. But it's definitely not massaged into my head at all. Hopefully all the beauty reviewers in the chat are telling me I'm doing great. Also, what the fuck is a beauty reviewer? I review other beautiful people. Me and the beautiful people, we get together and look at each other. I got it on my ear, that's unfortunate. At least the hairline isn't important because it will be covered by the haircut I chose for life when I was 14. Is this about as professional as you expected? My hand?
Your mom, I miss you so much.
Rather blood splattered.
Phoenix donated $1.
It's been so long since I watched Vids, man.
I need to read what that robot woman just said. But shout out to you, dude. Stop trying to teach me about video production. I'm not interested in the subject, okay? Thanks for watching in the past, present, maybe even the future. And thank you for your $1. Been caught red-handed. Yeah, I guess I should put a timer on. It's 4:39. Probably do like some minutes. 28 minutes. Swag. All right. I guess I'll go try to wash my hand. For what it's worth. I actually use a VPN, and I have all my clocks set to different times to confuse you in the background of the vlogs just in case. You'll never catch me riding dirty. That's not even the real sun. I hired that guy. It's all scripted, dude. I have a gashing head wound. Do you want to see my beautiful gash? It's hungy get in. I'm sorry for everything I'm saying. I can't help it. I think it's a condition. Cheers, side angle. Sorry, I should have set up a third camera. I should have had the forethought. The third thought, I guess? I definitely got the fourth head. Bro, look at the top of his head. Is this a bad hairline? What are the thoughts? Let me find an old picture of my stupid looking forehead. Oh, I can't find one. It just always looked so cool. Hairline is acceptable. Okay. I'll take acceptable. But you see, like in these old videos, like it always looked like that. It was pretty far back. I mean, I was like 17, 16.
Lonnie, how are you?
Pretty shit.
Do you eat malnourished?
Yeah, it's pretty hard being me, but I managed somehow. Looks okay, I guess. If I was just 2 inches higher up in altitude, it would be normal. Shout out anime for taking all of my friends away. I'm used to this. This happens daily to me. It's a regular thing of mine. Can you tell which hand I murdered a man with today? Try to take a guess at which hand was the one wrapped around someone's throat as they took their last breath today. Right hand. The blood of Pappy himself. What? Are you not allowed to say stuff like that? Comedy is about subverting expectations, I think. I don't know. I only know how to do the second part. What have you done? What on earth have I done? I'm just straight chilling. I don't really know what to do for 30 minutes when I can barely see. What a predicament. Should I go out in public and scream for help? What a good prank. Chilling and being normal and regular, as usual. You do be kind of gaming. Just varying degrees of gaming often occur around me. Oh, I brought this out. Pretty animals? It's for furries who also care about skin hydration. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? I've never killed anyone. All the rumors are not true. I'm Michelle Phan. Don't taste me. Don't predict my flavor. Looks can be deceiving, and I'm poisoned. Whoa. This is a sopping wet mess, just as I am. He just like me, for real, for real. I feel like the Lonnie channel identity crisis is going well. 2 months ago, I was a movie reviewer. I don't know how to do this, but I think you're not supposed to do it when you're on your period because I'm getting blood everywhere. Michelle Phan would never have this much trouble. This is gonna stain I can't use this now. It's gonna stain my whole face. My face is red enough. I don't feel like I look like an animal. What animal do it be? Come back after not watching for a while and see this? Well, that's what you get for leaving me. Leave me again and see what happens. I'm a cat boy now. Look what you've done with your absence. Your absence was felt. This is the vibe. Do them boys have whiskers? Necessarily? There can be no evidence of what happened here. I've confessed to a lot of hypothetical crimes. Gotta keep them wanting less. Gotta keep them wondering, at least. What is this for? You can make some mean shadow puppets with that. All right, we've hit rock bottom with this conversation, I think. What if it goes back to pink? Then I'll try this one, I guess, because I already bought it. And if it looks horrible, I'll shave my head. And if that looks horrible, I'll have to go and present myself in a new way that may drive onlookers and people I encounter to say, oh, so no head? That guy got no head? It's supposed to be red, but it will probably turn back pink, I imagine. Bro, wash your hands? I did. It's just gonna be stained. But it's all good. I should have bought gloves, but I'm an idiot. And it also doesn't really matter. I'm not a hand model. I'm a murderer. I think Wisconsin is the place for, it's like the serial killer capital of the, somewhere. They're the best at killing people in some regard. These are not the hands of a model. These hands have no future. Crazy how much more you realize that time moves on when you document time moving on, I guess, by unintentionally or otherwise. I would love if I could make my videos like Disneyland, where I hide all the clocks and the sun and everything, even though that's fake. I said that at the beginning. Everything's fake, don't believe me. RGB keyboard hair, dude, that would be lit. I need the Steel Series. I can't say it. I need the Steel Series fade. Imagine only having one mouse. RGB hair would be absolutely next level. True gamer activities. But alright, I'm gonna go rinse off and bathe my body. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next stream in a little bit. Hit the like button if you haven't. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll freaking see you soon. Peace. Be back soon.